vaccines.
We have some big news coming in. Union Minister Hardeep Puri slams the opposition leaders over vaccine. Hardeep Singh Puri there says in-house clinics Jairam Ramesh, Tharoor and Akhilesh behaving in true form. They first questioned the valor of our soldiers and are now unhappy that the two vaccines got a nod from the DCGI and that these vaccines are made in India. Clearly, they are on a quest for permanent political marginalization. These are the words of Hardeep Singh Puri. Let's quickly cut across to Ashutosh Mishra joining us live. Ashutosh, Union Minister hitting out at the opposition leaders who have come out unanimously, at least three of those top leaders, including Jairam Ramesh, Shashi Tharoor, who've questioned the decisiveness or the nod that's been given to Covaxin particularly, and Akhilesh Yadav goes beyond saying that he's not going to take the BJP vaccine, painting it with a political brush.
So there are three case scenario, Nabila, if you see this entire controversy that is happening. The first, when DCGI addressed a press conference, there were a number of questions that were left unanswered as there was no answer for a particular question given from the DCGI. And when you don't answer question, if you don't take questions, you always leave scope for suspicions and many others. Here, now we're talking about Jairam Ramesh and other Congress leaders. They raised question if the phase 3 trial has not been completed, if there is no factual data available, or there is any scope of improvement or required further assessment, why the government is showing hurry to giving approval to Covaxin, which is Bharat Biotech's vaccine. Now, coming to Congress leader RSS Surjewala, he has come out openly in support. So at large, in principle, almost all the leaders, be it from the ruling party or the opposition, they are giving a thumbs up for this approval and this achievement of the scientists. No one is raising question on the scientists. But as far as vaccine of Bharat Biotech, the Covaxin is concerned, indeed there are some questions being raised which either the government nor the DCGI have been able to respond so far. Whereas when the Jairam Ramesh took it to the social media asking this question to the government...
Do stay with us. We're cutting across to the big news that's coming in right here. The Congress now seems to be a divided house over the vaccine. Randeep Surjewala says, and I quote, "Kudos to our scientists and researchers of Bharat Biotech on approval of the indigenously developed corona vaccine and Serum Institute along with its scientists." Contrary to this, Congress leaders Shashi Tharoor, Jairam have questioned the vaccine that the government has rolled out. In fact, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has warned against the use of Covaxin, saying that it's got approval much earlier, before the phase 3 trials have completed. He says this is premature and could be dangerous as the vaccine is still undergoing phase 3 trials. Ashutosh, here's a Congress, a divided house. You have Randeep Surjewala now saying, "Kudos to our scientists and researchers of Bharat Biotech on the approval of the indigenously developed corona vaccine and Serum Institute and its scientists as well." Of course, praising the efforts of all those who've been working really hard, and this was supposed to be their initial gesture. Their statement should have been the same right from the start, but it seems like now with severe backlash, this is a life-saving drug. You can't politicize this, for God's sake.
Well, again, Nabila, the narrative that has to be seen clearly, because as far as opposition entire camp is concerned, largely wholeheartedly they have all supported this and welcomed this. After all, this is indeed a big achievement for the Indian scientists and medical staff. Those have been working to on this vaccine for months. Now, why the Congress looks divided house? Jairam Ramesh and other leaders, they questioned the biotech data. The data on these questions where the government and DC Director, Drugs Controller General of India has not even been able to respond, even in the press conference. As far as Congress, the party is concerned, they are welcoming this achievement of the scientists. But indeed, there are some scope or questions have been left as far as Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is concerned. Whether they have been able to complete the phase 3 trial, whether is there any further scope of the improvement or any further scope of the analysis of further data. So those questions have been raised on that. But again, you rightly said that if there are few leaders who are raising question and another are welcoming it, then your party completely looks a divided
They
house.
are indeed a divided house, and that's what we see. Thank you very much, Ashutosh, for joining us with those details. Their politics over the vaccines will continue, but this is a sigh of relief that just while we step into the new year, we finally got approval for 2 vaccines made in India.